In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download official method to download the Windows 11 26H2 ISO, install it without losing your file, and also create a bootable USB Rufus. So let's get started. Open your browser and type it Windows Insider Preview Download. Make sure you need to sign in before logging to this page, because a sign in is required and is mandatory for this download. So this is the official method, safest place to download the ISO file directly from Microsoft Insider Preview Download page. Never download ISO from third-party website. So scroll down, select the editions. So over here we need to select the 26H2. This 26300.8772 is showing 25H2, but later it has been changed to 26H2. Click confirm. Select your preferred language. Once you select it, it will prompt you for 64-bit download to start downloading the ISO file. So click it. Depending upon your internet speed, the download may take some time because the file is several gigabytes. So it will take around 15 to 20 minutes. So let's wait for it. Once it gets completed, I'll show you what's the next step to proceed further. You need to select the double click it setup.exe file. Once you double click it, the Windows setup wizard will now begin. Follow the online instructions. If you are upgrading it, you need to make sure you keep your personal files and all the apps is selected. Then you need to click it installed. Your computer will restart several times during the installation process. So you don't need to worry, because this is the general process for the Windows 11 26H2 installation. So once the installation is being completed, you are ready to use Windows 11 26H2. The second method which I'm going to show you is the Rufus method. Basically, this is an open source Rufus which we're going to use it in order to create a bootable USB drive. This open source is widely used these days, the Rufus. It easily create the USB drive. Make sure you have enough space in your pen drive. Minimum required is 8 GB or larger USB drive. Select the Windows 11 26H2 ISO file. For most modern PC, keep the partition scheme as GPT and target system as UEFI. Click Start. Rufus will create a bootable Windows USB in just a few minutes. After it finishes, simply boot from the USB drive to install Windows. After the installation is complete, open Settings, go to System, then click About. Here you can verify that Windows 11 version is 26H2 has been installed successfully along with the latest OS build number. This is the OS build number. You can see here 826.300.8772. This is the latest build. Everything should now be working normally. If you upgrade using the ISO method, your files and applications should remain intact. If you performed a clean installation using Rufus, you will simply need to reinstall your application. How you can officially download and install Windows 11 version 26H2 using either the ISO file or a bootable USB. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification, because I'll be covering every new Windows 11 update hidden features and performance improvement as they are released. And let me know in the comment section, did you upgrade using the ISO method or did you create a bootable USB with Rufus? Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.